Hello everyone, my name is Irene and I am a Global Trade Plaza export and import trainer. In this video, we will be discussing the importance of customs compliance and providing an overview of key regulations and requirements that companies need to consider. Section 1. What is customs compliance? Customs compliance refers to adhering to the laws, regulations, and requirements set forth by a country's customs agency when importing or exporting goods. These regulations and requirements ensure that trade is conducted in a safe, secure, and legal manner. Section 2. Key regulations and requirements. There are several key regulations and requirements that companies need to consider when conducting international trade. Let's take a look at some of the most important ones. 1. Tariff classification. Tariff classification is the process of assigning a unique code to goods to identify the applicable customs duty rate. The harmonized system is used to classify goods and is used by customs agencies worldwide. 2. Valuation. Valuation is the process of determining the customs value of goods. The customs value is used to calculate the applicable customs duty and taxes. 3. Country of origin. The country of origin is where the goods were produced or manufactured. The country of origin is important as it determines the applicable rules of origin and eligibility for preferential trade agreements. Rules of origin. 4. Rules of origin. Rules of origin determine whether a product is eligible for preferential tariff treatment under a trade agreement. Companies must ensure that their products meet the applicable rules of origin to receive preferential tariff treatment. 5. Import-export documentation. Companies must ensure that they have the correct import-export documentation for their shipments. This includes invoices, bills of lading, packing lists, and any other documents required by the customs agency. 6. Compliance management. Compliance management involves implementing policies and procedures to ensure that a company is in compliance with customs regulations and requirements. This includes conducting internal audits, implementing training programs, and maintaining records. Section 3. Consequences of non-compliance. Non-compliance with customs regulations and requirements can result in significant consequences for companies. These consequences can include fines, penalties, seizure of goods, and loss of business reputation. Section 4. Conclusion. In conclusion, customs compliance is a critical aspect of international trade. Companies must ensure that they adhere to the key regulations and requirements set forth by customs agencies to avoid potential consequences. By understanding and implementing customs compliance measures, companies can mitigate risks and ensure successful global trade operations. Thank you for watching this video on understanding customs compliance, overview of key regulations and requirements. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below.